Now we not tell ones and ones say them must follow all the things them that elder people say. Because sometimes the elders have some belief too. Sometimes the elders them have some faith where it's not recognized in evidence.
Blessed love, my viewers and subscribers. Wagwan, hope you are doing good, hope you are doing great. Some people, yeah man, who come across this video, I'm decide to share it because, you know, a lot of people have misconception about this belief system of people, especially Rastafari, and that one mainly targeting the rest of them because, yeah man, the rest of them have some different type of belief system of people, and the Mutabaruka gonna share his perspective of how they all think and, you know, the right way and all that, my people. So definitely stay tuned because this one is going to be nerve-wracking. Yeah, man, definitely drop a like and subscribe and share to a friend or a family so they can be a part of the movement, man. Let's go, my people. Let's check out what the I have to say about faith and different type of beliefs when it come down to Rasta, my people.
There with you again. You know, we always hear people talk about faith, and them also talk about belief. You know, you have some Rasta who say him no believe, him know. And the whole heap of things when we hear him say him know, it's really believe it because him not really prove it with no evidence more than say, through my Rasta him say, oh, me know, me not believe, you know. All right. And you have an next man who say him have faith. You know, in the Bible tell about faith is the substance of things hoped for and evidence of things not seen. And people use them faith to validate what them believe. Now, faith and belief is it's similar. Faith is just take a part of what you call a religious part, and belief take a part of, I believe the thing without evidence, just like faith. Faith, you believe, you have faith without any evidence of reality or truth about it. As long as you have faith, you don't say, well, this is going to happen and this is not going to happen. Like someone say, boy, him have faith in this and him have faith in that. Just like man say, boy, I believe in this, I believe in that. Well, you have something named doubt. Doubt is you believe something, but you cannot think about it if it really can go so. That is really doubt. Your doubt is something where you believe in. Now, I put it forward to you, say, more time doubt is better than to believe. Because what happens when you doubt, you tend to want to.
I know, like, a serious thing with people. A lot of people believe, say, you know, what them believe in is the true thing and nobody can tell them nothing otherwise, you know. I mean, everybody is open to having their own belief, my people. But remember, say, belief is not a proof of evidence, you know, like, you see a football match I play, you never know who go turn out to be the winner, but you can pick on this side and say, yeah man, me have faith in a this side, you know, or me believe in a this side, say this side will come out victorious, but you can't predict the outcome of the football. Remember, say the ball running on my people, and I see and think come down to this, a lot of people, they have their own way of life, and you know, them have their own belief system of what they think about Christ and, you know, when he might come back and all that. But nobody deeply never ever see Christ. Nobody no know about that. If it's 100% true, they only can tell you, say, you know, them believe in it and, you know, the Bible say and this and that and a bag of things where we don't have any factual evidence, and that's the whole point of this. So we could continue and listen and gain knowledge.
Investigate the something more. That you don't stop it and say, boy, I may not believe that. Or my doubt say that can't happen, or my doubt that. What doubt help you to do is go further into evidence.
True.
Doubt help you to investigate. You know, I always say, if you write something or if you sing something, me say, inspiration without information lead you to superstition. That's one of my lines in a poem. Inspiration without information lead you to superstition. And when I find say a whole heap of man say him is inspired. Him is inspired by this and him is inspired by that. Without any information to back it up, We should come back to the same thing like doubt. We should come back to the same thing like belief. We should come back to the same thing like faith. We are put forward to you say, experience is the greatest teacher. Experience teach wisdom. A whole heap of people have knowledge, but knowledge is just an educational thing where you go through. But knowledge don't necessarily carry you to the heights of intelligence. I have put forward say wisdom is understanding. Wisdom is the greatest knowledge of anything. And a lot of time, elder people speak and younger people don't want to see say it's because of experience why you tell them this and why you tell them that. Some people I say them have to experience things for themselves. Well, you know, it's only a fool learn from his own experience. Because you tell a child don't go near the fire. Him not, you don't have to make it burn him. Him not have to experience fire. Him just follow you as a elder.
You know, a lot of people in this earth that them really stubborn, you know, but I just a way of how the human being is, you know. That's something we just can't get out of them. A lot of people will know the danger and then will still end up find themselves in the danger. Yeah, man, when people are just human being that. So it's only the one few way. A elder go teach a man a thing and a man go say, you know, say elder, respect that. And that way I work with for now on. Yeah, man, it's a one and few. Not everybody. Some people are gonna say, yo, I fall in the shit talk right now. I have to learn that for myself. That you see me. And when time I reach them, I know them in a shock like them. I say, did. I say, hell, I do want my bounty. And look how I find myself in a this situation, you know. If me did just listen. So youth and youth, that's what the hell them have to say. I remember say experience is knowledge.
As an experienced person, you say, look here. The elder said, don't go near the fire. And my mother said, don't go near the fire. And she must know because maybe she'd get burned the first time she go there. Now we not tell ones and ones say they must follow all the things them that elder people say. Because sometimes the elders have some belief too. Sometimes the elders them have some faith where it's not recognized in evidence. The bottom line is that we have to strike for evidence. Evidence. And we have to cast out belief as the main ingredients of our understanding of things. We have to move away from the idea that faith is we're going to carry through. Because that is also approaching reality without any belief, without any understanding of wisdom. And we, as Rasta, find ourselves engulfed in that same, that's a madness, craziness, where you say, boy, I believe something, you know. And a man say, believe what you talk about believe. Me not believe nothing, you know, me know it. And then when you really check down on it, and you investigate it, where I say, you realize you're foolish in my talk. You know, you have some people talk some things about Haile Selassie. You have some people talk about Jesus Christ when I'm reading the Bible. And when you really check it, it don't make no sense in reality. But the more you believe it, and then say, him not believe it, him know it. Knowledge used well is power. And we have to have a sense of responsibility when we're talking about what you know, what you doubt, what you have faith in, and what you believe in. And the greatest and the highest level of that is wisdom. Wisdom is understanding. And you have to understand all of the things and what you think say you believe. Ari.
Yeah, man, when people so, as you hear what the elders say, wisdom is the powerfulest thing with people. Faith is only faith because you can have faith until you prove the fact. Because without the fact, you know, the faith gonna only remain faith. And that thing with them instilling away from we young, from you go to school and tell us, you have to faith move mountain and a bag of nursery rhyme code jump over them. A bag of crazy things that is far from reality. And we have to come back to reality if we want to have a certain consciousness. We can't think a certain type of way in a them time, my people. So ones and ones, these are some things that we always tune in pan and listen, because the eye is a great speaker. Big up to Muta. And big up to I Never Know TV, because man, I feel them video this, my people. So definitely watch the video, man. Go over and channel, watch it. Let me know what you think. Because trust me, we need to wake up and get some of them thoughts out of our brain, because it is so easy, it's so simple. It's just so simple. But who want to know, I go know. Them are going to go the distance to research and educate themselves about things like these. Faith, belief, spiritualities, religions, all of them things that is a thing where we need to get together and know where we stand. Yeah, man. So people, when we make it to the end, drop a like, subscribe, share to a friend or a family. Black Power, straight. My people, catch you guys in the next one. Irie.